Ever wondered where all the data from your favorite apps, websites, and companies is stored? Well, it's not just floating around in space. It's hosted on powerful cloud platforms like Microsoft Azure, one of the biggest cloud computing services in the world. So, what exactly is Azure? Think of it as a massive online supercomputer that businesses, developers, and even governments use to store data, run applications, and build powerful AI models, without needing expensive hardware. Microsoft Azure offers over 200 cloud services, including virtual machines, which act like online computers, databases, cybersecurity tools, and even AI-powered applications. Instead of buying and maintaining physical servers, companies simply rent the computing power they need from Azure, scaling up or down based on demand. This makes it faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Take Netflix, for example. When you click on a movie, the video isn't stored on your device. It's streamed from powerful cloud servers. Netflix uses Microsoft Azure to store and deliver thousands of movies and shows to millions of people worldwide, without buffering or slowdowns. Azure helps Netflix handle huge amounts of data, manage sudden spikes in viewers, and ensure a smooth, high-quality streaming experience. Netflix isn't the only one. Some of the world's biggest brands rely on Azure for data storage, cybersecurity, AI development, and business operations. Whether it's banks securing transactions or governments protecting sensitive data, Azure handles it all. Azure is popular because it's fast, secure, and flexible. Businesses don't have to worry about maintaining massive data centers. They can simply pay for what they use and focus on growth. Plus, with data centers in over 60 regions, Azure ensures reliable performance no matter where you are in the world. So whether you're a developer, a business owner, or just someone curious about cloud computing, Azure is shaping the future of technology. Now you know what Microsoft Azure is and why it's so important. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy.